Might help us out. Okay, obviously this is all today because I'm kind of doing the video late tonight. So we're going to go back to yesterday, which is here. Let's look at it. Looking. I could probably crunch this up a little bit more. Okay. That's most of yesterday. Well, it's a really big trade here, right at 6:30 in the morning. Huge trade. Huge trade, 6:30 pre-market. You can see the MACD was a little bit positive, right? It does come up here. It goes down. It doesn't touch the bottom, so that's bullish. I would not trade it there. It goes up. It comes down. Comes way down here. And then we get another indicator. And this stays negative for a long time. That was a little bit of a tough trade right there. This one was super easy. Make this trade, probably getting 55 down to about 48. Not bad. 7 points maybe. Pretty good. Trying to think if there's a long side trade there. I don't really see a big long side trade. Not really. Because momentum over here is negative, so that's not good. Okay. This is pretty good going towards the end of the day. This was at noon, a little before noon, like 11:55. Yeah. So we get the indication there might be a trade here. Wait for it to come down. The price just kind of tracks sideways, comes down a little bit. It's very bullish right here, right? Momentum is very bullish. It does touch the bottom, comes up. I take the trade right here. Momentum is positive. It even starts crossing over. You can see it starts to go green. I take it right there. And you're looking at about 3, 5, 7, maybe another 2, maybe 9 points. So that's pretty good. All right, those are your trades of the day on the 5-minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. What do we got going there? And this one was much better for that big short side trade. It comes down here, gives you a signal. This is at the bottom, comes all the way back up. This momentum does come up, just barely touches the bottom line here, guys. Right? I'm sorry, barely touches the middle line. So it's barely positive. It's just like riding right on it. Starts to roll over. Right there, momentum goes negative again. Right, goes negative like right here. It looks like it stayed negative, actually. So I would say a safe trade was somewhere right in this area. And again, you're looking at about, kind of hating the scale because it's a small day. Probably about 60, reliably down to maybe like 52. So 8 points. So both of those were pretty decent trades. All right, those are the trades of the day. Let's go move on to the daily chart and we'll do the other products. So, excuse me, here on the daily chart, really small day. That's why we didn't see very much movement on the trades of the day. Only 23, so super tight day, but you still could have made money. I said yesterday in the email, I thought that the market would start suggesting it's going to pull back. And it does look like it wants to do something here. I don't think it's going to be a big pullback, but it's going to pause up in here, maybe dip a little bit. That's my take on the S&P 500. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones Transportation. Wow. Big down day. Yeah, it's in positive territory, but that's a big down day. Okay, let's look at the Russell 2000. See, this kind of responded to the Dow Jones Transportation. See that? Had kind of a red day itself with some body to it. Still pretty small day there at 22.5. looks like it may want to decline itself. Okay, let's go to the NASDAQ. Kind of healthy. Kind of healthy day. 153 range, which is not huge for NASDAQ, but at least it was a healthy day. Click the NASDAQ, excuse me, kind of turned it around. Got three greens, 3 days there, so might be a little bit more left than that. I keep getting the wrong daily. Put the daily on there. December 12th is the cycle low. Okay, SPX. Oh. SPX. Super small day. Super small. Looks like it definitely wants to pull back into this cycle low here. But we'll keep an eye on it. Right now, that's just looking like it's just the market's just going to pause here. Okay. All right, let's take a look at Nike 225. Yep, red day, still negative momentum on the daily chart. Just sitting down here negative. It's trying to get going here, but just Nike 225 struggling for sure. Japanese yen. Wow, okay, it's trying to go positive momentum here, but it hasn't quite done it yet, but it may do it in the next couple of days. So I could see maybe a little dip and take off. If it does that, that'll be a nice trade going long if it gets up into positive territory here in the momentum. Okay, let's look at euro dollar. Looks like it's in trouble to me. Not strong at all. Looks like it's going to fail. Fail more than it already has. Doesn't look good. I don't expect the British pound to be doing good if anything. They're a bunch of Marxists there. That thing is going to continue to suffer. Yeah, they're just... I'm telling you what, the U.S. is going to teach the Marxist prime minister or whatever his name is over there, going to teach him a lesson. He's going to learn the hard way. All right. Negative momentum doesn't look good here. Let's look at gold. Boy, gold is so resilient. Trying, right? Look at it, just trying. It's like, don't tell me what to do. It's going sideways here. Wow, just amazing. Gold, wow. Look at that, super resilient. Gold is just like, don't tell me what to do. Silver, little bounce back here. Still negative momentum though. Okay, let me get to the daily chart. Not sure what that's doing while it's on weekly. December 16th is a low. Okay, crude oil. A big day yesterday, so it did have that pretty big bounce yesterday, which is nice. 232, that's a significant bounce. And it may bounce some more because it is coming out of a cycle low. So it's be interesting to see. This could go positive momentum here in a week or two, maybe even sooner. And then if it does that, this could really get going. 74, 76. It could take off. Do I think it's super sustainable? Probably not. But yeah, it could get up into the mid 70s before it starts taking a dive again. Okay, let's look at corn. You see I got a little position there. See what, little one position, see what it does. Yeah. I mean, it's bullish. But it may roll over here. If it just rolls over and does that, then it's going to go up again. If it comes way down here and starts farting around like that, then it's going to change the nature of. So we're going to wait to see what corn does. But right now, this is still looking bullish to me coming out of this cycle low. A quick look at wheat. If I can get the right symbol. I don't think I have a daily chart there. No, I don't. So I guess this is it. Yeah, just tracking sideways. Looks really weak. Nothing like corn. Wheat is just getting clobbered. This is a short side trade, guys. If you want to trade wheat, I think it's a short side trade, in my opinion. Okay, last of all the symbols, XLP. The Spider Fund Consumer Staples ETF. It did go positive momentum a couple days ago. So now let's see what it can do. Will it just come down and turn and go up like this again? December 9th is 6 days away. So we'll keep an eye on this. I wouldn't do anything with it yet. If it comes down, momentum stays positive, this turns and burns, especially if it stays above the bottom line here, that would be a nice long. That is it. Become a member. $7.99. The link is in the description. Talk to you all real soon again next time.